Hello, everyone. Are you ready for some jaw-dropping moments caught on camera?
No. No, man. No. Oh, man. ¿Qué va esto? Man. Oh. ¡Oh! ¡Gas, gas, gas! ¡Gas! ¡Izquierda! ¡Dale, dale, 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 dale! ¡Recto, recto! ¡Gas, gas, gas, gas!
¡Hostias, hostias!
¡Sí!
In a remote polar region, a massive glacier suddenly fractures and collapses into the ocean, unleashing a powerful wave, while unaware tourists drift dangerously close in small boats.
This thing, but yeah, anybody that knows me knows that this was going to happen.
Yeah, Mom sent me texts going, "You left me with a freaking out child. Get your ass back."
Oh, you have another
No.
The last tornado I saw was on your farm.
Yep.
I know, this is awesome.
Dad.
I know, I've got the camera on it.
Oh my god, it's a fucking photo right in front of us. I know.
If it starts getting too close, though, we need to back off.
Oh, c'est impressionnant. C'est pas vrai ça, je filme.
Ah non, c'est bon, vous inquiétez pas.
Ah ouais, je filme moi.
On va se faire plaisir.
C'est énorme. Waouh, putain.
Within seconds, a massive avalanche breaks free from the mountainside, triggered by unstable snow layers, accelerating downhill with immense force and burying everything in its path beneath tons of snow and ice.
Incredibile.
Captured from a moving car, a powerful tornado forms in the distance, its rotating column of air tearing across the landscape as the driver unknowingly approaches one of nature's most destructive storms.
This storm is almost moving due north. So it's gonna move probably right up the Sabine River. Oh, that's not good. We're gonna be get out of the way of that.
Right back up here if it gets under.
In the summer of 2021, in Central Europe, relentless rainfall caused rivers to overflow, unleashing powerful floodwaters that tore boats downstream and swept them straight into the heart of the city. In 2018, along the southeastern coast of the United States, a massive storm system made landfall, its extreme winds and torrential rain tearing apart small buildings and sweeping everything in its path with wind speeds up to 250 kilometers per hour.
Dude! Oh! Hey! That's my boat directly that way! That's my boat! God damn it! Screwed up my boat! No!
This is our house. Please save us before we float away.
In January 2014, in the American Midwest, extreme cold turned rain into instant black ice, transforming intersections into danger zones as helpless drivers slid uncontrollably across the frozen roads.
This guy's gonna get stuck. What are you doing?
Que salió despedida con los coches.
That's crazy how much stuff is just built up right there. Oh my.
In the winter of 2019, in a small alpine ski resort in Austria, unstable snowpack gave way without warning, unleashing a powerful avalanche that tore through the slopes and engulfed parts of the resort in seconds.
Аккуратней. Еще один идет. Еще идет, аккуратней.
In December 2013, in eastern Canada, a severe ice storm coated entire neighborhoods in freezing rain, the mounting weight of solid ice eventually shattering windows and damaging homes under the relentless cold. After a powerful volcanic eruption in Iceland sent a massive ash plume high into the atmosphere, air traffic across much of Iceland was grounded for a day, as the dense ash cloud posed a serious threat to aircraft engines.
Твою... Ужас!
Как бы 42-е разбросало ветром.
In northern Russia, heavy rainfall was followed by a sudden Arctic freeze, encasing homes in thick layers of ice as burst pipes and power outages left entire communities struggling in the extreme cold. What looks like a work by artist is just pure reality.
Look at this. Jesus. Wow. Oh my God. Sorry for being this is unbelievable.
Ебем-ти сумці.
Все, кранты. Задний ход, давай задний ход.
Watch out! Watch out! Follow the house! Follow the house! Oh! The house! That house is caved, bro!
In the summer of 2017, in a remote mountain campsite in Colorado, days of intense rainfall overwhelmed the narrow valleys, triggering a sudden flash flood that tore through the campgrounds, catching visitors completely off guard. In 2004, along the coast of Oman, a powerful Indian Ocean tsunami surged inland, flooding low-lying mountain valleys and forcing residents to flee to higher ground as the water rapidly advanced.
ابوسي محمد يوصل هنا انا مصور فيديو
Oh dear God.
In the North Atlantic Ocean, towering storm waves crashed relentlessly against a cargo vessel, causing no visible damage, yet powerfully revealing the raw and overwhelming force of the sea.
Look at that! Now I'm looking for my pot of gold, baby.
Look at this. This is coming down like a mofo.
I'm just going to hold it back more back.
È andata via questa.
Somewhere in the Pacific Ocean, a cargo ship transporting hundreds of vehicles battles heavy swells. The vessel rocks violently, but though no damage is reported, perhaps a video better not shown to the car's owners. In 2014, in the mountainous region of Nepal, days of relentless rainfall destabilized an entire hillside, sending a massive section of land crashing downward in a powerful mudslide that reshaped the landscape within minutes.
Guarda qui qua, ma come fanno a passare quelli lì?
It's free! Oh, there goes the rest of the pits. Damn, dude. Holy it's going right by the office.
Oh my god, you just lost a wheel. Holy
And with this severe storm captured by a passing driver, we end today's video. Thank you for watching.